For 3 years, I taught a course at Stanford all about how to extend your health span. Your health span is the number of healthy years you live. And I bet you didn't know that it's highly dependent on how well your metabolism works. But not only that, it's actually really important for you to have healthy social connection to live a long and healthy life. I talk about the 4 pillars of Healthspan in this course. First is making connections, understanding the connection that you have with yourself, with your community, with your environment, how that affects your health. And then the second is metabolism. How can you understand how your metabolism affects your energy levels and how your cellular batteries can give you a long and healthy life or shorten your life? The third is movement. Mastering movement is fundamental to longevity because the more we move, the better and the higher quality mitochondria we have. Lastly is mastering the stress response. Stress drains our batteries, and stress is a big part of life. We can't avoid it, so how do we master it? This course guides you through this entire journey. It's a college-level course, but I've basically designed it so that anybody can take it at any time, at any pace. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you live a long, healthy, and happy existence.